And right now I'm going to give another demo and explanation of the latest amplifier that I've built. Sorry for the shaky camera job. Not too much of a cameraman, mostly guitar player slash musician slash amp builder. But here it is. At any rate, let me move it in. There we go. There she is. Right here, this is the valve amplifier. And it's got a very simple control layout here. We've got a master volume control, single tone control, gain control. Only 3 controls. I want to keep a very short signal path so that you can really have a nice touch sensitive signal that really shows off the characteristics of your guitar. This does not mask the characteristics of your guitar at all. This just lets it shine through, and it really lets your playing shine through. It loves to really amplify and bring out any sloppy playing, so beware of that. Right here we've got the power transformer, Hammond. We've got a Mercury Magnetics output transformer made in Chatsworth, California. Mullard EF86 in the first preamp stage. We have an ECC83 in the second preamp stage. We've got a single-ended cathode biased Class A generating about 8 watts EL34 output valve. And we have a GZ34S rectifier valve, full wave rectifier valve, to add lots of compression and sustain and bloom to the notes. And let's see what else I want to say about that. Not much. So I'm going to turn this thing on. We're going to get it heating up, and then I'm going to grab my PRS Custom 24 Artist 10 top and my pedal board, and I'm going to be doing a demo of what this thing sounds like. I'm going to initially run it at this much lower volume, and you'll hear exactly what it sounds like. Then I'm going to turn it up more towards the middle so we get about 2 or 3 watts of output power, and at that point you'll hear the notes really begin to blossom and open up. That's where it needs to be, right around this general area here, in order to really start to open up a little bit. It doesn't sound great at very low volumes, but it does sound good at slightly higher volumes. Not too loud though. I played it in church. The sound man had to turn me up to hear me, so it's still not too loud, and yet it develops a very good tone at that not too loud volume. So I'm going to turn this thing on here. We'll start the heat up process. There it is, heating up those valves. And I'm going to go grab my pedals and the guitar, and I'll show you what it sounds like. All right, cool. All right. There it is, very low volume level. This is using the back pickup of the PRS. If I coil tap that back pickup, single coil, both pickups. Alright, I'm going to turn the volume up now to get it to that sweet spot, and you'll hear what that sounds like. And there it is. The high end is now shimmery. I've just turned the volume up, nothing else. And that's the tone of the amplifier. Alright, let's do some delay out of the line 6 green delay pedal. Now we're going to do some volume swells with bigger delay, and I'm going to turn my eventide time factor on as well, cascaded delays. Okay, let's do some lead work now with some overdrive. Got the Barber direct drive and the green line 6 delay turned on. And here we go with that. I'm going to use the back pickup. Got really nice feedback. You hear that musical bloom, the way the notes just come in. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to turn on the blue collar Menatone overdrive now, cascading the overdrives to get a higher gain sound. And let's hear what that sounds like. And the next thing is I'm going to turn on my AMT distortion station, made in Russia. Alright, and that's all we have for today. Something else to note, you probably heard my guitar strumming, you probably heard my pick attack on the strings as I was playing. That's a good sign that the volume is not too high once again, so that's a good thing. Today I also want to say that I have a Vintage 30 Celestion speaker and a Nerby cabinet. That's what we're using for today's tone generation of the speaker. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Thanks.